The 90s Rewind. Saturday, the 22nd of February at the luxurious Curve Bar, 199 Lewisham Way, SE4. Taking you back to the 90s. Pied Piper, DT, Rampage, Galflex, and Sound Supreme. Doors open at 10 p.m. till 4 a.m. Strictly over 25. Limited tickets are only £7.50, £10 thereafter. Available from shoobs.com. For table and birthday bookings, call now on 07984 24 24 24. That's 07984 24 24 24. The 90s Rewind. Saturday, the 22nd of February at the luxurious Curve Bar, 199 Lewisham Way, SE4. Get your tickets now.